Konnichiwa minasan, welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn the kanji of degree frequency. This is our today's kanji, which is the kanji of degree and frequency. So guys, we can see here this kanji have 9 strokes. So let's start with the strokes of this kanji. Let's focus on the strokes which we will have to learn to make this kanji. 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is the final kanji which is having 9 strokes. So now let's start the practice of the strokes of this kanji. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's do it for the one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the final kanji which is having 9 strokes. Let's do it for the one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and the final one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is the final kanji which is having 9 strokes. So now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. So guys, we can see here this kanji don't have any kunyomi, but onyomi of this kanji is do, written in romaji and katakana. So now let's move to the meanings of this kanji. Here we will learn 4 meanings of this kanji. Let's start with the first one. Here we can see that this kanji have written as a suffix with the kanji of ichi. So if we are writing these two kanji together, these would be pronounced as ichido. Ichido means once. And here again, if we are writing this kanji as a suffix with on also have a different kanji about which we will study later. So then these would be pronounced as ondo, which means temperature. And here if we are writing this kanji again as a suffix with the kanji of now, ima, then these would be pronounced as kondo. And kondo means next time. And the final meaning is, here if we are writing this kanji as a suffix with the kanji of soku, with the kanji soku. With soku also have different kanji, which is the kanji of speed, about which we will study later. Then these would be pronounced as sokudo, and it means speed. So guys, this was the kanji of degree frequency. I hope you guys have understood this kanji. I hope you guys have understood the patterns and stroke orders of this kanji. Then please do like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Jai Mata.